Alright, here comes the line of storms into western Wayne County, just west of Pikeville. The rain is just about to us. In fact, there it is. Nothing severe, but I think I gotta stay outside and see if we can get some wind and rain and see how it looks as it passes over the area. It's a pretty good gust right there. This should just be a quick hitting round of wind and briefly heavy rain, and it should pass on over. So far, there hasn't been any lightning with any of these storms, so just rain and wind. No warnings as of right now. And that may be just about all that we're going to get out of it. I don't have my anemometer with me, so I don't know how fast the wind was, and I'm standing behind a barn to stay dry as the wind's blowing, but I'd say based on earlier today how it was doing, we probably gusted into the 30s on that band of storms as it came through. There's still some wind out there. I hear the trees across the street got a little bit of roar to them. Go hang on just another moment just in case there's another gust of wind or two before I end the video. I am starting to get a little bit on the wet side since the wind slowed down enough that the rain's falling on all sides of the barn now. So I reckon I'll probably go ahead and end this for now, because it looks like that may be about all it's going to do, at least from an interesting standpoint. There'll obviously be a little bit more rain and stuff, but it looks like the wind may be done for now. If anything kicks back up, I'll go back live. Thank y'all for watching.